morning, children. Hi, everyone. All are doing well. Today, we will do with an exercise first. Okay? Let's do. Keep your hands like that. Both the palms. Rub your palms and then keep it on your eyes. Again, rub your palms. Keep it on your eyes. Again, rub your palms. Keep it on your eyes. Next one. Let's clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, Now put your hands on the shoulder. We will rotate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the opposite direction. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now keep your hands on your waist. Now we will rotate the wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now again opposite direction. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Okay? Now we'll do with the roly-poly. Come on. Roly-poly, 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 roly-poly. Up, up, up. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Down, down, down. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Right, right, right. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Left, left, left. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Front, front, front. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Back, back, back. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Slow, slow, slow. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Fast. Okay, children, you should do your exercise daily. I think so everyone might have done with the breakfast. You should always drink milk in the morning. Okay? So today we are going to do with day 20. Month 1, day 20. So ये last day month 20. Book number 1 का है day 20. So we are going to do it with the day 20. Look here. Now this is day 20. 2020. Write each missing numbers. यहाँ पे 1 to 30 is written. So you know 1 to 30. So you have to write numbers 1 to 30 which are missing. So I will show you. This is here. 1, 2, 3, then 4 you have to write. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. So I think so you are doing the practice of writing numbers 1 to 50. But this is a homework. Write each missing number. The numbers which are missing, you have to write 1 to 30. Parents, please guide and help your children while writing the number. And while writing the number, children, please read loudly the numbers. When you read the numbers, you will come to know which number comes after which number. Now children, this. Turn to the next page. Write and call out the names of the places we get water from. Talk about them. आपको पता है? You get water from river, sea, well, pond and rain. पानी हमको कहाँ से मिलता है? रिवर से, नदी से. Pond, then well, then sea, and then rain. बारिश का भी पानी आता है. So here the names are given on the top. You have to see the picture and write the names in it. First is R-I-V-E-R, river. Then S-E-A-C. Then P-O-N-D, pond. W-E-L-L, well. And then R-A-I-N, rain. So this picture is of the river. So what is the spelling of river? R-I-V-E-R, river. Here the spelling is there. So children, you have to see the spelling from here and fill in the box. What is the spelling of river? R-I-V-E-R, river. What is this picture? Pond. Once a picture it is pond. So the pond spelling is P-O-N-D, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. Okay, now which picture is this? Well. So what is the spelling of well? W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. What is this? Sea. So what is the spelling of sea? S-E-A-C. S-E-A-C. What is this? Rain. So what is the spelling of rain? R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Children, you have to see the pictures and here the names are written. So please see the spelling and write it properly with the help of your parents. Now this is a bird. Parents, you can draw any bird on this page and give the children for the coloring. आप कोई भी bird बना सकते हैं and then you please draw and give them and the children will color the bird. So this also you have to do it as a homework. This is a craft part, but we are not coming to the school. So parents only draw any bird and give it for coloring for your child. So children are going to color the picture of the bird. Now this is write the correct numbers in the given box. Again here you have to read the numbers loudly and you have to write the correct number in the box. But here the numbers are 1 to 50. So you have to write the numbers 1 to 50. When you will write the numbers, you have to say the numbers so that you can understand which number comes after what number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29, 3, 0, 30, 3, 1, 31, 3, 2, 32, 3, 3, 33, 3, 4, 34, 3, 5, 35, 3, 6, 36, 3, 7, 37, 3, 8, 38, 3, 9, 39, 4, 0, 40, 4, 1, 41, 4, 2, 42, 4, 3, 43, 4, 4, 44, 4, 5, 45, 4, 6, 46, 4, 7, 47, 4, 8, 48, 4, 9, 49, 5, 0, 50. So, you have to take a help of your parents and complete this as a homework with the help of your parents. Write the numbers 1 to 50. So, book number 1. Book number 1 is completed day 20. So today we have completed with book number 1, day 20. Okay children, bye bye, see you. Now we will continue with book number 2 from the next session. Bye, see you, thank you.